Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we got another project today, among the many others. We're going to install some auto vent shades going around the door here, so that I can crack the window and not have snow or rain spraying on me. So let's look at the box and we'll see you in a second. All right, everybody. Ordered this off of Amazon, and I think they were, oh gee, I don't know. Was it 30 bucks? I can't remember. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll pop the price up here on the screen. But should be relatively straightforward. Should be 2 vent shades. And this is the ABS brand auto vent shade. These are the in-channel shades. So let's look at what we got here. Installs in minutes. Let's heat escape. Blah blah blah. So I think the instructions are probably inside here. Yeah, Trevor has them on his Mazda. I liked them. I kind of always like these things because I'm the person that would rather have the windows down, or at least have it open, than have the air conditioning on. So, although most of the time I usually have the air conditioning on and the windows open. So, a trial fit is recommended. Check parts before putting on. Remove tape. Peel back 2 inches of tape from each edge and top flange. Okay. With visor in final position, remove the remaining tape liner by pulling on the free ends. Run your fingers along the window channel to ensure proper adhesion. With the visor in the final position, remove the rest of the tape. Run your window up and leave it like that for a while. I think they say like a day or something. All right. This actually looks pretty simple. You can stick it up here, you can see it. You run a channel down there, bring this up here, and just like that, right? That's it. So we're gonna peel off our adhesive, which we'll do now. Get this end in. Fitting real good. And we're just pulling this off. That. And then it said take your fingers, press it up in the channel. As the coup de grace, we roll up the window. Come on. All right, and we leave it there, and we don't roll the windows down for a day. Let's do the other side and we'll be done. All right, everybody, here's the second one, driver's side. We've got our little wings pulled. Let's roll down our window. It smells nice in here. I cleaned, and then of course you got to get the black ice air freshener. Always gotta get that. Okay, looks like she's fitting good. We'll just want tape. Such. Remember, Jim, put your fingers up in here. The window's really what holds this in place. That's why, you know, you gotta roll up the windows here. There we go. can hear it. Garage. All right. So that's it. Let's take a look here. All right. Looking pretty good. I spent some time and I, kind of cleaned up the interior. It's gonna need some more work. I'll show you. Like, see, this side isn't bad. It's pretty clean. The I don't know if you can see it from here. You can see the driver's side's all grimy, whatnot. But yeah, looking pretty good. We got our nice stereo in there. The last thing I gotta do is I got a couple more items coming. One of them is I got the new gem module. So hopefully we can fix that weird lighting issue. What else did I pick up? New door sills. These guys. Look at how fucking clapped out these things are. Got them for a good price on eBay. They sell them a set. They're supposed to be the genuine door sills. See, I cleaned this. The whole outside sill plate. That turned out pretty nice. And then we got the heater, not the heater core, the blower motor resistors came in, and I ordered a brand new grill. I opted for a black grill. There's just 4 screws and 2 clips, and this whole thing will pop right off. I think it'll look way better with the black grill, with the black bumper. So that's what we did. So, and then I'm gonna pull these bad boys off and just clean them up and give them a spray. I've got that textured black. That'll look pretty good. Ford wipers are pretty neat. You just lift this little lever here and then you can pull these things right off. It's actually, I used to do that all the time on my Mustangs. Give it a cleaner look. And I put some caps on the covers. It was pretty nice. So yeah, it's coming along. She's looking good. Smelling good. I think one of the other things I want to get is some seat covers, because the hole. But other than that, one piece at a time, she's coming together. So all right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. And like I said, we got a couple more videos coming, so I'm trying to knock some stuff out while I'm home from work for the holidays. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Easy.